So here is how you can type the upside down exclamation mark on your iPad. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we have to swipe down or access the keyboard somehow, and you can see right away that I have a few things in here. Like I have the regular keyboard. It kind of depends on the language as well, but I have the exclamation mark which I can flick and actually type it, right? But it's the regular one. So if you want to type in the flipped one, what you can do in this case is actually hold down on it like this and a swipe over, right? So as you can see, I held down on it the exclamation mark and dragged my finger a little bit to the right, and then this is the upside down exclamation mark. But this is not even the only way you can do it, because outside of that, you can also switch to the different mode of the keyboard by clicking the buttons there to go to the letters. And as well, we have the exclamation mark, so the same thing is here too. But you can also click on the button one more time, and now you can see that it just gives you one option. But at the end of the day, it's basically the same thing. Doesn't matter from which page you go there, but that's essentially it. That's how you can type in the upside down exclamation mark. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it on your iPad. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.